I'm Tina, the Thankful Planner. Welcome to my channel today. If this is your first time here, then we do videos about planning. We do Plan With Me spreads. There's just me, but Lily's in the room, my dog. So I also do haul videos and anything to do with productivity and getting things done. So today I'm going to be doing my monthly spread in my mini happy planner, and I'm trying a new sticker store today. I don't think I've ever ordered anything from Pinky Stickers, so this will be the first time. I do print my own stickers, and I'm using, at this moment, I bought a big stack of glossy paper. I wanted to try glossy because everybody raves about glossy, and I've been using, since I've been planning, I've always used matte removable sticker paper, so I just wanted to try that, and I am loving it. I love the thing. The difference in glossy and matte, I would say, is just the colours are so much more vibrant. And my concern was that, well, then how do you write on the glossy? You know, it will just rub off, and it doesn't if you've got the right pen. I'm using a Sharpie. You still got to wait a couple of seconds before you sort of rub against it, but it dries and there's no issue with it. So anyway, that's the glossy thing. So this was a one-pager, so you've got 2 sheets, and that's enough. And my monthly spread in my mini happy planner, I actually just, as you can see, like, I just track my blood pressure, but I'm fed up with it just looking like that. So I thought, why not in August? I think I'd done it for May as well. I'd like to put a spread in here. So that's the idea. So I'm going to take these out, and we are going to use some stickers in here and liven it up a little bit for me. So you will, as I said, Lily is here. She's in the room. She has a nice comfy chair in the corner, and she will probably snore her head off as we get going. So you will have to excuse me. Now what I'm going to do is speed this part up, because you don't want to sit here and watch me put the basic stickers down. So what I'm going to do is just put the basics down, the dashboard and the numbers and some of the deco, and then I'll come back and we'll start working out, you know, what I'm gonna, well, I'm not gonna fill it in. So this whole thing actually will probably be just like a speeded up. I'm just gonna make it look pretty. Okay, so I will stop at the end and slow you down to talk to you. So join me in a little while. Okay, well, I think that's sort of about it. I've really jazzed it up. I've used all the little boxes that's available. What I'm trying to do now is put in what I've tracked already, because we're a little bit behind. We're on the what day are we today? Let me check. We're on the 11th, so we're to here. So I know this morning I'm going to put, let's do AM, and then it was 7.1. Okay, so I'll put the AM at the beginning. So let's track. So I'm just looking at, I have recorded it. I've just recorded it in a little notes section. We got one. Yeah, not so great. I'm supposed to try and keep it under 7. And I haven't been having a lot of luck with that. So, let me move this in. So all I'm doing is I'm just putting that, as you can see, I'm putting AM. I don't want to smudge that one. I'm putting AM, then I'm putting what it was. And it was, that was 8 on the second, 7.6. And I do always do AM, but I know that the doctor talked about me doing after supper for a week, so I will be doing that at some point, but I just, at the moment, I just kept track of this. 6, 8, 7, 7, 9. I don't need to do that, do I? 7, 9, and then the 8th. 8.1. These are high, these as well. 9. AM. And then 10. AM. Yeah. Well, it looks like it's coming down. Let's hope that's coming down. Okay, so I think that's awesome. I love that. I have just got to do the hole punch thing. Let's get these punched. Probably best to do it that way around so I can see the other ones. Okay. Like that, is it? About like there, I think. There. That's one. Okay. So I'm going to just pop this back. Let me get it. Where are we? It's August. Here. I shall pop this back in my planner. Oh, I'm quite excited about this one actually. It's really pretty. I'm loving this pen, how really strong it is, you know, like really black. I love how it pops out the page like that. And maybe that is again something to do with the shiny paper. But look, that's so cute. Now there was me just, honestly, I wasn't really over, I was like, oh, it's all right, I like it. But I love it. I love the colours. And this is from Pinky Stickers. And there you go, sorry. Is it focusing? Pinky Stickers at Pinky Stickers Instagram. Really cute. Yeah, and still got quite a few left. If you're going to use this for other sorts of planning ideas, I track that on it, but I know other people track other things in their monthlies. So yeah, really nice. So I really like this. Thanks again for watching me. I do appreciate you joining me to watch my videos. I love it when you send me messages and you contact me through Instagram. I've had quite a few of you go over onto Instagram and start following me over there. So thank you so much. And yeah, let's build this community of thankful planners. Have a great day. Bye-bye.